The 3-month study on the health of the nation's largest financial institutions confirmed earlier leaked reports that some U.S. banks need more capital to withstand a deeper economic downturn. Among them, Bank of America, which needs to raise $34 billion, Wells Fargo, $13.7 billion, and Citigroup, $5.5 billion. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner says the test will help bring clarity to a financial system still mired in uncertainty.
They're going to replace this deep cloud of uncertainty over the system, again, with more disclosure, with more certainty. That's going to make it easier for private capital to come into the financial system, help expand the capacity of banks to lend, help banks replace the government's investments with private capital as soon as possible.
The stress test used varying scenarios to measure the impact of a deepening recession on the nation's banks, including higher unemployment and falling home prices. Standard & Poor's analyst Stuart Plesser says the study shows the U.S. financial system, like the overall economy, is starting to improve.
I think that it's been a boost to the confidence level of the investors and perhaps the consumer public at large that the banks are okay to withstand the kind of economic pressure that they're under right now.
But some question whether the tests were rigorous enough. Jonathan Corpina at Meridian Equity Partners says the report shows many U.S. banks remain vulnerable.
I think everybody is looking for some glimmer of hope in the headlines and the news stories and the situations that come out of D.C. to make something positive at it. The fact of the matter is that we still have some substantial sized banks that need billions and billions of dollars to help them run their day-to-day operations.
Secretary Geithner was more optimistic. He says the tests reveal that not all U.S. banks are weak.
It's just the beginning, and we're going to keep working to try to make sure this financial system is in a stronger position, strong enough position, so it can provide the credit necessary for recovery.
While some analysts say it may be a challenge for some banks to raise the needed capital, Wall Street investors were more upbeat. Financial stocks surged higher in after-hours trading following the release of the report. Mil Arcega, VOA News.